Can I call you Rose? Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. Can I call you Rose? Can I call you Rose?
Mabuhay! I am Trisha Salazar, HM student from Samif Oriental Institute of Science and Technology, together with my group Ashley Zupico, Vanessa Lilo, Donalina Ketan, and Katrina Parpan. Good morning, this is Trisha from King Hotel Cagayan speaking. How may I assist you today?
Listen carefully. There is a bomb planted in your building. It will explode 30 minutes. Evacuate immediately if you want to save lives.
I'm sorry, who is this? Can you please repeat what you just said?
I said there's a bomb in your building. You have 30 minutes to evacuate. Take it seriously if you know what's good for you.
I understand your concern, but I need more information. Can you provide any details about the bomb's location or any other relevant information?
You think I'm joking? You don't have much time. I suggest you start evacuating immediately.
I assure you, we take all threats seriously. I will need to report this immediately to the authorities. Please stay on the line while I do that. Hello, this is Trisha from King Hotel Cagayan. We just received a bomb threat call. The caller mentioned that there is a bomb planted in our building and it will explode in 30 minutes. Please send help right away.
Thank you for reporting this. We take bomb threats very seriously. I will dispatch the necessary authorities to your location immediately. Please follow our company's evacuation procedures and ensure the safety of everyone.
Understood. I will initiate the evacuation procedures and inform everyone to evacuate the building. Thank you for your prompt response.
Good morning. Thank you for calling King Hotel. How may I assist you?
Hi dear honey, I'm looking for a special guest to check in earlier. Can you please give me his room number? We have a surprise for him.
I'm sorry, but I cannot provide personal information about our guests. May I ask who you are and your relation to the guest?
Oh, don't you worry, sweetie. I'm just a friend of his. We have some business to discuss. It's really important. Can you please give me his room number?
I apologize, but it is against our hotel policy to disclose guest information to third parties. If you have any message or request, I can pass it along to the guest when he contacts the front desk.
Look, I really need to reach him urgently. I promise it won't take time with him. Can you please just give me his room number? I'll make it work for a while.
I understand your urgency, but I cannot violate our guest privacy policy. It is in place to ensure the safety and security of all our guests. I suggest you find an alternative way to contact him.
Fine, whatever.
Thank you for understanding. If you have any other inquiries or need assistance with anything else, please let me know.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling King Hotel. How may I assist you?
Hi there, I'm calling a trip and I wanted to inquire about the room rates and services.
Of course, I'd be happy to assist you. May I know the dates you are looking to stay and the type of room you are interested in?
I'll be arriving on May 30, 2024 and staying for 2 nights. I'm looking for a standard room for 2 people.
Great! We have availability for those dates. Our standard room rates start at $500. This includes complimentary breakfast, access to our fitness center, and free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel. Would you like me to provide more details about our room amenities and services?
Yes, please. Can you tell me more about the amenities and any additional services you offer?
Certainly, our standard rooms are equipped with comfortable beds, a private bathroom, a flat-screen TV, a mini fridge, and a work desk. We also have room service available for dining in the comfort of your room. Additionally, we offer a concierge service to assist you with any special requests or recommendations for local attractions.
That sounds great. Do you have any special packages or discounts available?
Yes, we do offer special packages and discounts for certain occasions or extended stays. I can check our current promotions for you. May I have your email address so I can send you the details?
It's Katrina Galindoparpan@gmail.com.
Thank you. I will send you an email shortly with our current promotions and any available discounts for your stay. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all for now. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. If you have any further questions or if there's anything else we can do to assist you in planning your trip, please feel free to reach out. We look forward to welcoming you to our hotel.
Good morning. Thank you for calling King Hotel. How may I assist you?
Hi, I would like to request a wake-up call for tomorrow morning, please.
Certainly, I can assist you with that. May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Trisha Salazar and I'm staying in room number 205.
Thank you, Miss. I have noted your wake-up call request for tomorrow morning. What time would you like to be awakened?
I would like to be woken up at 7 a.m. in the morning.
Noted. I will ensure that a wake-up call is scheduled for you at 7 a.m. in the morning. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, sir. If you have any other requests or if there is anything else we can do to enhance your stay, please don't hesitate to tell us no. Have a pleasant day.
Hi, I'm staying in your hotel and I would like to make an overseas call to Malaysia. Can you assist me with that?
Certainly, I'd be happy to assist you with your overseas call. May I know the phone number you would like to dial in Malaysia?
The number is 0912-345624.
Thank you for providing the number. Just to confirm, are you aware of any international calling charges that may apply?
Yes, I understand that there may be charges for international calls. That's not a problem.
Perfect! I will connect you to our international calling service. Please hold the line while I make necessary arrangements. Thank you for patiently waiting. I have arranged for the overseas call to Malaysia. You may now proceed with your call. Please note that charges may apply and they will be added to your hotel bill. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to let me know.
Thank you for your help. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. If there's anything else I can assist you with during your stay, please don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy your call to Malaysia.
Thank you for providing the
Look,
number.
ay isa pa, wala pa nag...
Confirm.
Ay isa pa,